Hi there, folks, and welcome back to Terry's Diverse Horizons, where we shine a light on stories that matter and explore the truths often hidden beneath the surface. Today, we're delving into Pakistan, a country known for its vibrant culture, breathtaking landscapes, and warm hospitality. But behind this beauty lies a challenging reality for many: the lived experiences of its minority communities. Together, we'll uncover their struggles, resilience, and inspiring triumphs. If you find value in the content, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Terry's Diverse Horizons. Your support helps continue sharing untold stories and making a difference. Let's dive in, starting at number 1, religious conversion. Each year, hundreds of young girls from Hindu and Christian families in Pakistan are abducted, forcibly converted to Islam, and married off to their abductors. These acts not only violate their fundamental rights, but also deepen the sense of insecurity and vulnerability among minority communities. At number 2, blasphemy laws. Blasphemy laws, intended to safeguard religious sentiment, have instead become tools of oppression. Accusations are often baseless, yet devastating, disproportionately targeting minorities. Justice remains elusive, replaced by fear and chaos. The consequences are life-changing, and sometimes life-ending. At number 3, discrimination at work and school. Discrimination doesn't always shout, it often whispers. At workplaces and schools, minorities face rejection, exclusion, and prejudice. Yet, these communities find ways to shine, turning adversity into entrepreneurship and innovation. At number 4, desecration of holy sites. Places of worship meant to inspire peace have often been the targets of hostility. Desecration of temples, churches, and other sacred spaces represents more than destruction. It's an attempt to erase identity. Yet, hope persists as communities rebuild stone by stone, preserving their faith against all odds. At number 5, leaving home behind. For many minority families, staying in Pakistan simply isn't an option. Facing relentless discrimination, they make the heart-wrenching decision to leave, seeking freedom and equality in countries like England, the United States, Canada, and Australia. It's a bittersweet farewell, a story of survival and new beginnings. At number 6, thriving abroad. In their new homes, these families find opportunities to rebuild. They establish businesses, share their traditions, and weave their culture into the tapestry of their communities. From food to festivals, their vibrant contributions shine brightly on the global stage. At number 7, interreligious marriages. Love, the great unifier, transcends boundaries. Within minority communities, individuals from different faiths come together in marriage, fostering unity and understanding. These unions bring together two worlds, proving that diversity is not just beautiful, it's essential. At number 8, interracial connections. Beyond religion, minorities have embraced inter-ethnic marriages, bridging gaps between cultures and creating families rooted in diverse traditions. These marriages are a testament to humanity's ability to connect, evolve, and thrive. At number 9, contributions to arts and culture. Minority communities have enriched global arts and culture, bringing their unique stories to life. From music to literature, their creativity speaks volumes, challenging biases and celebrating the beauty of their heritage. At number 10, inspiring change. Despite facing extraordinary challenges, minority communities are inspiring change. Their resilience and advocacy have sparked conversations about equality and inclusion, both in Pakistan and abroad. Their strength reminds us that hope is a powerful force for transformation. And that's that. As we reflect on these stories, let us remember that diversity isn't just about coexistence, it's about thriving together. Let's amplify these voices, celebrate their contributions, and work toward a world where everyone belongs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for joining this journey of discovery and inspiration.